If you're sick and tired of not getting the results you deserve online, then listen up, because we have the ultimate traffic solution for you that will help you crush it online in April 2022 and beyond. Until now, this ultimate traffic solution has been kept underground, and we've been using it in our online business to generate free buyer traffic every single day to our affiliate links, landing pages, websites, and funnels. Thanks to the success of this brand new traffic solution, we finally decided to reveal it to the world, and we've developed a brand new cutting-edge technology software for 2022 that lets you clone exactly what we're doing to get free buyer traffic by tapping into this super secret underground traffic source. Hey, even if you're a newbie with no tech skills and no previous experience, this will work for you. What we have for you today has never been done before. It's 100% new, unique, and fresh for 2022. Introducing the brand new Syndicate cloud-based incredible brand new traffic app, and then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and, of course, your life to the next level. If making money online is your desire, here on my channel, I come up with programs and training courses, including info products that will help you do exactly that. Today, I have, fortunately, another Glenn Koski product, a software called Syndicate. Syndicate is going live on the 12th of April 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's 10 a.m. New York time for you. And of course, in a nutshell, it's a product that is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done for you courses and membership style sites using other people's, including your own contents or videos that you can legally monetize for leads, sales, and commissions. This very clever app sets up with multiple profit factors, each consisting of lead generation page and monetized website. If this is a product you would like to have, I would suggest you use the first link below on my description area. That link is going to give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which I will show you, of course, in a very short time. That link, if you click it, the first link on my description area, it will bring you to this bonus page, my amazing bonus page, and here you can use this very link to grab it, and of course you can use any of the green links scattered all over this page to grab a copy for yourself. It's an amazing traffic generation application. Okay, so with that said, I will go ahead to also show you at how this one is exactly structured. This is the sales page, and definitely if you click the link on my bonus page, it will bring you here, and here you will of course have a certain discount pop-up that will give you a degree of discount on this very one. This is the members area that I'm going to take you to if you stick with me, and of course it's loading. We will come back to that. For now, let us take a look at the amazing pricing for this one, and of course show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Okay, the front end price should be in a way that it is well structured, okay, so that you can definitely see that it's not only just affordable, that you can always make use of this to not only create contents from other people, including your own content, including videos. You will be able to actually use this to drive crazy amount of traffic to any offer of your choice, including your blog sites and of course affiliate links. The product cost price for the front end goes for $17, and I believe it has the discount coupon, which is about $2 off, given for you instead of $17 at $15. Okay, and that's exactly is what is going to give you access to the amazing dashboard members area of this one. And now the upsell number one is the unlimited version. It goes for $37, and this will give you the unlimited version of this front end in case there is any limitation whatsoever, which I am sure there should be, which is why it's always wise to also get the unlimited version of the front end. Now, upsell number two will be 100% done for you. It goes for $47, which means everything is basically done for you. All you need to do is to click certain buttons, and then you are ready to go. Upsell number 3 will be unlimited traffic. It goes for 47 as well. And here you have traffic in quantum. Of course, you will be exposed to millions of traffic that you can harvest from, and of course make money with your conversions. Now, upsell number 4 will be the automation, which means this is going to be on autopilot so that you can sleep and make money at the same time. Now, upsell number 5 will be the ATM. It goes for $47. Upsell number 6, ultimate, 47 as well. Upsell number 7, license rights, go for $37, and this will give you the license rights to sell this product as if it's your own and keep profit across the entire funnel. So, and these are all the amazing benefits you have here. It's all in one list building, passive income and traffic solution, works in any niche, and done for you lead pages, done for you monetized websites, optimized for conversions, no expenses, no expensive designer or copyright needed, 100% pure profit. So it is amazing to hear that you have all those capabilities, and it has 30-day money back guarantee. And here are the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be how to drive traffic to any link or offer of your choice. Just if you take a look at this very traffic application Syndicate, you'll see that this very hack tutorial is going to teach you how to drive targeted traffic and ordinary traffic from amazing sources to your offer. So you can see that they are complementing each other. Now, my bonus number 2 will be how to create free professional websites, which means you can create sites as well as membership sites or any kind of sites that will complement with this Syndicate product, like I told you before. And bonus number 3 will be how to convert the traffic fast. One thing is to have traffic, without which you cannot make money online, and the other one is to know how to convert it. With the materials and the tutorial you need to convert fast, this is going to give you those edge against your competitors. Now, my bonus number 4 will be 0 to 1,000 on autopilot, which means everything is automated for you, just like one of the upsells in this very application will do for you. This is going to do even better, that I can assure you. My bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this product, and when eventually you get here and click this link, like I told you before, it's going to take you to the sales page where you use this coupon to get discount. When you do, under your under my Warrior Plus account and under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this with 2 buttons. This one gives you access to the Syndicate product, and here you have this blue one giving you access to my amazing bonuses. And with that said, you can reach out through this email in case there are issues or if you have any problem whatsoever with my bonuses. So that is basically what takes care of my bonus page, the pricing, and of course all the bonuses that I have for you. Now, let us take a look at the members area of this. You see, this is the dashboard. This is where you get the tutorials, campaigns, and page content, which is where you create the content that is actually monetized on the website. And you have products you have done for you here. You have free traffic, upgrades and help, and of course the upgrade. So you have basically everything that it's required to see that this one works for you. This is the welcome note and every other thing you need, the keywords, valve, copyright notice, earnings disclaimer, everything is done for you, and you will be able to definitely drive unlimited amount of traffic to your offers, and of course monetize the websites that this very application creates for you. So it's a very good one that I encourage anyone who is interested in making money online to pick up. Okay, that takes care of the members area for you. And here now, let us see the sales page together and be able to wrap up this one. This is what you have. The coupon will give you $2 discount, but that being said, this is what sets you up and forget system, gets you 150 per day, and of course most of them on autopilot and of course done for you, and without creating your own videos or getting on camera. Zero risk, zero investment required, 100% proven automated system. So it's basically great, and you will be able to make use of this one for yourself. And like I told you before, you will be able to have access to this very sales page and scroll for yourself and see what Glenn Koski has arranged for you on this one. But I can assure you the intention is there, and the capability of making money, of course, is obviously here. And I can assure you here are some of the testimonials which you have access to. Without wasting much time, I will give you now the as we come to the end of this, I will definitely make sure that when you get here, you will be able to grab this one when the product launches in a couple of hours from now. Okay, and with that said, this is the time I encourage you also to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and of course use the bell button to get notifications. And I'll be back with my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye.